Good day to all my viewers. Today we are going to look into an unboxing video. I ordered some art supplies from Amazon and we are going to see its positive and negatives of the received supplies. My first one would be the painting palette. It's an oval shaped palette used for mixing acrylic and oil paints. The edges are smooth and has a thumb hole for easy grip. Once the paint dries off, it can be easily peeled. Its dimensions are 12 cross 8 inches. My next supply would be a masking tape. Each tape is 20-meter length and half inch in breadth. My next art supply would be a coloring book. It's got 16 pages printed both sides. The disadvantage of this book is we cannot use markers or watercolors since they might absorb on both sides of the page. In this case, we can use only dry colors. I will be showing you on how to work on these pages in my upcoming videos. Here comes another book of doodles picture. This book contains separate 24 pages of printed doodles. The pages are thick, suitable for any kind of art supplies. I have given the link for each items in the description box. Artist needs sketchbook. Here I have ordered 2 sketchbooks. The pages are really thick. It is 150 GSM and contains 50 pages each. My next order would be color pens. These are metal tip pens from the company Flair. The thickness of its nib is 0.7 to 1 mm. These are lightweight pens used for giving fine outline in drawing, sketching, coloring intricate patterns, mandala artworks and various projects. My next supply would be black pens. Fine tip black pens are very important in artworks cause they are used in creating outlines, detailed artwork, shading, etc. Here I have various sizes in the nibs varying from 0.05 mm to 0.9 mm and a brush pen. Here we can create various depths and patterns in artwork. My next art supply would be touch markers with 48 colors. It is a dual tip featuring both fine tip and brush tip. They are used to create precise lines and shadings. Dual tip markers can create both fine and bold strokes with brush tip. This is a diamond art kit which contains a canvas, a diamond stick, pen, wax, a tray and diamonds. Here I was hoping that the tiger in the given image would be white, but most of it is grey. Here we need to stick the diamonds on the canvas. It's a relaxing artwork and the patience is the key to fill this canvas. My final art supply is the blending stumps. Here various sizes are given from 1 to 6. While touching the blending stumps, it feels like more of compressed tissue paper. This blending stumps is used in pencil shading. Hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching.